Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to check email on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget not email, only Google account email, okay? So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here just click on the search option and search for the email, okay? You just search email and here it has came, okay? This just click on email. When you move on it from here, just select any email, okay? I mean any account. So here it has came, see, add recovery email. You can add the recovery email. This is the recovery email and this is the Google account email. So which one you want to check? This one is the contact email and this is the alternate emails and this is the about me emails. You can check it like that, okay? The about the emails. Suppose I just click on this about me emails. No, I won't check this one. I'm going to check about the see, you can see this arrow. You just click on that arrow and click there and you can add other email. And if you want to add email, you can add click on that arrow. Suppose I just show again. So this is the email and okay, this is the email and here is the small arrow. Just click here and if you want to add email here, you can add it just by clicking on add other email, okay? Just give your contact email. After that you just add email, okay? Contact email is the here, okay? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.